Hi everyone, it's Judith here once again, a registered nurse and a medical virtual assistant, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some EMR systems with free trial accounts and how you can sign up for your free trial accounts in these EMR systems. Let's start with the OpenEMR. So just type Open EMR. Now go ahead and click on this. Okay. Now, once you get to this website, go ahead and click on demo. Now, once you click on demo, you're going to see here Open EMR demo credentials. This one is for admin physician. So basically, this is where it concerns you as a medical virtual assistant, while this other part is for the patient. So once you get here, what you will do is that because this is where concerns you as a medical virtual assistant, you are going to use either of these logins to access an open EMR account. So here, let's use this admin as our username and this pass as our password in order to access an open EMR account. So what you are just going to do is to click on any of these links here. Now, input your username. Remember that our username is admin. Then remember that our password is pass. So you just log in. And here we have it. This is how you can access and open EMR accounts. This is what an average EMR system looks like. You can view the calendar by weeks or you can view it by months. This is how most EMR interface, how they look like. Like I said earlier, we'll start looking at some of the features in the EMR system. So, but for this particular video, I'm only showing you how you can access the accounts. So now let's go ahead and access the DrChrono EMR system. And in order to do that, we'll go ahead and type Dr. Just type DrChrono free trial account. Yeah. Click on DrChrono free trial here. Okay. And once you do that, make sure the one you are clicking on, the websites that you're going to click on has this EHR practice management medical billing free trial. If it doesn't have this free trial, you cannot access the free version of it. You're only going to be seeing schedule a demo and all of that. So make sure it has a free trial here. And so you click on this. And so when you click on this, you are going to when you click on this, as you can see, you will see where you can fill up your details. So you just go ahead and fill up your details. Let's do that now. So make sure that you are selecting provider or staff. Do not select for a patient or interview. Do not select this. So make sure you are selecting for a provider or staff. You can actually like select whatever you want, customize it however you want. And yeah, that is it. So once you filled up all of your details correctly, just go ahead and submit. Now, once you've submitted, it's going to bring you to this stage where you set up your username and password. It's very important to remember your username and password because that is what you always use to access the account. So come here and type whatever your username wants to be. let's say do this simulation again. So you're going to receive an email and you will verify that the email belongs to you. So once you've done that, you can now access your accounts. So let's do that. By the way, we use a temp mail for this account setup. And okay, look at, we already received an email for this. So what we are going to do is, this is exactly the email you're going to receive. So you will just click here on verify my email. That's it. So immediately you verify your email, it's going to lead you back. So this is the EMR. This is the EMR you're already in. So this is the DrChrono EMR system. Once you verify your email, it's going to lead you back in the EMR. So this is what it basically looks like. So you can view it daily. You can as well view it weekly, or you can view the calendar by monthly. I prefer to always view it by weekly. And so this is what it looks like. As you can see, look at the OpenEMR. This is it. And look at the DrChrono EMR system. Did you see it? The difference is not really that much, although there is difference. But then that is why I always say, once you master one or two EMR systems, you are very good to go. So we have the scheduling page, clinicals, the patients, reports, billing, accounts, your accounts if you want to. Also, this is actually for people, for the clinics. Actually, this doesn't concern you at all. And then marketplace and all of that. So this is basically how the DrChrono EMR system, how it looks like. Now let's go ahead and access the SimplePractice EMR system. While we assess the SimplePractice EMR system, I want you to know that the goal is not to just know brag about knowing how to manage or navigate many EMR system. The goal is to actually find one or two EMR system and understand them correctly, so that you can be able to navigate any EMR system out there. So let's go ahead and sign up for SimplePractice EMR system. Okay, so this is, once you, okay, SimplePractice. No, I didn't add EMR. Okay, let's do this. Now this is it. So just click on SimplePractice. This is really easy to sign up for and access. Just go ahead and click on this start free trial. So you're going to select practitioner, not client this time around, because you are not a client. So you are going to just select anything just for the sake of accessing the account. So here you're going to add your email address, okay? And then next, fill up your name, and every of your details. Make sure you fill up your details correctly. But then there's something I want to also tell you while you are signing up for this particular SimplePractice EMR system. Sorry, I think you need to use your, what is it called, VPN, to access the account, and you can also use your phone to sign up for this, and then use your laptop to access the account, because obviously you can't be able to access an EMR system fully with your phone. It's not possible. So you can use your phone to sign up, and then access it with your laptop. So click your phone number here, input your phone number here. So you're going to see this: get 50% off any plan for 12 months. You're going to see type for free for 30 days. Obviously, we are doing this. You are not about to buy an EMR system. So just click on try for free for 30 days. And once you've done that, click on this agree. Can read it. I don't know the terms and condition. Then click on start free trials. Okay. So let's answer these traffic lights. Once you click on start free trials, you are going to receive this email to verify your email. So you're just going to click here, and once you do that, it's going to lead you where you can sign in to your SimplePractice account using the email and the password that you've created. So let's do that. So this is where it's going to lead you. After customizing your account, it will lead you to the EMR system. Now this is how it looks like. I'm just showing you all of this so that you know that there are no difference. The difference in all these EMR systems are not much. So this is SimplePractice. It has calendar, clients, billing, insurance, and in our next videos we'll be assessing some of these features. Let me just go ahead and show you, not particularly like creating it from the scratch. Let me show you how you can also sign up for Optimantra EMR. Optimantra has a 15 days trial, and I really love this EMR systems interface and everything. So, but I can't sign up now because I've used up my 15 days trial. So just click here, try for free. So once you click on the try for free, it's going to bring out some details you're going to fill, and after filling all of those details, you just receive an email, and just like that you are good to go. It's really that simple to use. But recently they had this option of you must add your account, your phone number, and that phone number must be verified. The Practice Fusion EMR system is also like this. You need to have um a phone number that can be verified. You fill up all of these details. So you're going to fill up this phone number, and they are going to verify it. So that is how Optimantra is now, because when you click on try for free, it's going to bring out something like this for you. Once you continue, once you fill up all of your details, you are just good to go. You receive an email, just like I did with DrChrono, and just like I did with SimplePractice, and that is it. So this is how to sign up for your free EMR systems. So if this video was very helpful to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please, I'm begging you. And do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any MedVA hands-on tutorial from this channel. And thank you for watching my video today. I really appreciate. See you in my next one. Bye.